from coming in to attack the nest. It's a real problem. The crabs really like these eggs. Good morning. This is East Beach, and our first task of the day is to patrol the beach looking for garbage. I'm with Goran from Sweden.
Hi there.
He's the other volunteer here. He's already been here a month, so he knows the whole routine. So it's like having my own personal tour guide for this adventure. All right, let's patrol this beach, see what we find. So there's 11 villas on this stretch here. That's Villa 5 over there. All very exclusive and private. We shouldn't be seen cavorting with the guests. And so this whole beach at the very end, there's Villa 11, which is supposedly the most exclusive one. And so they pay a hefty fee for privacy, and we'll just do our beach walk, clean up, and then disappear and leave it to the guests. All right, we transferred to West Beach where I was last night. And this is Honeymoon Beach. Loops around down there, and then the regular beach goes all the way to the end to where there's a little snack shack for the guests. And the last beach that we checked in the morning is Staff Beach. And so this is the one the staff can use. We're back at the staff house now. Now that we've collected our bag of garbage, we are going to document it, weigh it, and this way they can get some valuable information about garbage.
0.68 kilos.
0.68 kilos of garbage. The planet is a cleaner place now. Possibility of a hawksbill nest. Yeah. There's signs that a hawksbill was here last night, and so we're just looking now to see if a nest was actually there. Lots of crab activity, so it's possible. How deep do they lay?
Maybe 50 centimeters from the hawksbill.
You found the eggs?
Here it is. There's a nest.
Ah, yeah, you can see the egg there.
That's a hawksbill. Must have happened yesterday afternoon.
Nest number 212.
So right now he's digging, looking for crabs. These little guys hang out in the nest and try and eat all the eggs. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mark it on a coconut. We're going to stake it with the date, and then 55 days about from now is when they're supposed to hatch. All right, this is we got a hawksbill turtle on October 19th. This is nest 212 with an exclamation mark because we know there's eggs there. If it was a question, if we weren't sure if there was eggs, we put a question mark on. There you go. Now we're going to measure the track. Measure the track to see how big the turtle is, and that's one is 73 centimeters. So Ange right now is making basically a moat around the nest of leaves, and that's going to stop the crabs, or at least slow the crabs down from coming in to attack the nest. It's a real problem. The crabs really like these eggs. The next item on our agenda is searching out tortoises. So we just wander around the island looking for the giant tortoises, and then we're going to mark their GPS location and see what they're getting up to. This guy looks like he just had a bath. And apparently they really like to be scratched under the neck. Some of them anyways. This guy's not so keen. So they're a real fan of a nice scratch under the neck.
Yeah.
Yeah. The ones that aren't grumpy.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
You learn with age.
Yeah. This guy's a big guy, so he's comfortable getting a good old scratch. So most of these tortoises have a number etched into their shell, and so we're just going to take a GPS location on where they are, and then we get an idea of where they're moving and what they're up to over the course of their day. Eating and resting, that's my guess. Found the tortoise party. So it's almost like a Mario Brothers festival. That guy's really deep in the mud.